Does Italian make you sound less intelligent than you really are? You try to say something like I can't do it, and suddenly you are stuck between posso, riesco, so, and everything sounds wrong. I've seen this knock the confidence of very smart learners. Today we fix it for good. You'll finally hear the real difference between potere, riuscire and sapere when Italians actually use each one, and how to avoid the classic traps. Clear rules, real examples, one quick check you can use today. Let's start with potere first. Think of a locked door. Potere is the key someone gives you. If they don't give you the key, you can't enter, even if you are strong enough. Posso andare al bagno? Oggi non possiamo uscire, piove troppo. Non hanno potuto prendere il treno, era cancellato. If the limit is outside you, rules, people, weather, use potere. Now let's move on to riuscire. Same door, but now it's about your hands. Sometimes you manage, sometimes you don't. That's ability, effort, performance. Non riesco a guidare quando sono stanco. Riesci a capire questo accento? Ieri non sono riuscito a studiare con tutto quel rumore. If the limit is inside you or in the immediate conditions, the noise, use riuscire. Let's move on to sapere, number 3. This is the toolbox in your head. If the tool isn't here, you can't use it. It's knowledge, it's a learned skill. So nuotare. Sai usare Excel? Non so cucinare il pesce. If you mean I know how, use sapere. But now let's contrast them so it clicks. Non posso entrare. There is a rule or a guard. Non riesco ad entrare. The door is heavy or stuck. Non so entrare. I don't know how this door works. Posso venire? Do you allow me? Riesco a venire. I can manage if it's. So venire da qui. I know the route. But even if you know this, there are some common traps, and now we are gonna have a look at how to dodge them, okay? If you mean ability and say non posso, Italians hear I'm not allowed. Say non riesco. If you need permission and say riesco a venire, you are saying I can manage, not may I. Just ask posso venire? If it's a learned skill and you use posso or riesco, you sound off. Say so plus infinitive verb. So suonare la chitarra. Non so sciare. This is a super useful quick check you can run in your head. If you can swap aloud, pick potere. If you can swap manage, pick riuscire. If you can swap know-how, pick sapere. Use one line today in a real moment. That's how this sticks. Remember, stick to Italian and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!